Ceiling fans are such a familiar sight, spinning quietly above our heads, gently stirring the air in bedrooms, living rooms, and patios across the world. Most of us don't give them much thought, except to flick the switch when we need a breeze. But behind their simple elegance lies a fascinating history, surprising science, and a host of cool facts that make ceiling fans far more intriguing than you might imagine. Let's begin with their origins. The concept of the ceiling fan dates back far further than you might expect. Long before electricity, in ancient India and Egypt, people used large, manually operated fans called punkas. These were often big fabric panels attached to the ceiling and moved back and forth by servants using ropes. The gentle breeze brought welcome relief in hot climates and even became a symbol of luxury and status. Fast forward to the late 19th century. The modern ceiling fan, as we know it, emerged in the United States in the 1880s, thanks to a bit of clever engineering. Philip Diehl, an inventive German-American engineer, adapted the new electric motor technology to create the first electrically powered ceiling fan. These early models didn't have the blades attached directly to the motor, but instead used a system of belts and pulleys to drive two-bladed fans. Only later did the direct-drive multi-blade designs become the norm. But what about the science? Ceiling fans don't actually cool the air. They work their magic through a principle called wind chill. When a fan spins, it moves air across our skin, accelerating the evaporation of sweat and making us feel cooler, even though the room temperature doesn't drop. This means a ceiling fan can make a room feel up to 8 degrees cooler, but it doesn't actually lower the temperature. That's why it's important to turn off ceiling fans when you leave a room. They only cool people, not spaces. Ceiling fans are marvels of efficiency. Compared to air conditioners, they use a fraction of the energy. A typical ceiling fan might use only 30 to 75 watts of electricity, while an air conditioner can easily consume 2,000 watts or more. That means running a fan costs just a few cents an hour, making it one of the most cost-effective ways to stay comfortable in the heat. But fans are not just for summer. Here's a surprising fact. Ceiling fans can also help keep you warm in winter. Most modern fans feature a simple switch that reverses the direction of the blades. In summer, the blades turn counterclockwise, pushing air downward and creating a cooling breeze. In winter, flipping the switch makes the blades spin clockwise, gently pulling cool air up and forcing warm air, which naturally rises to the ceiling, back down along the walls. This helps distribute heat more evenly and can lower your heating bills. Over the years, ceiling fans have become design icons. From ornate Victorian models with intricate metalwork and hand-painted blades, to sleek, minimalist designs that blend into modern interiors, ceiling fans reflect the trends and tastes of their times. In the tropics, you'll find wide, palm-shaped blades made from bamboo or rattan, while industrial spaces often feature huge, slow-moving fans with metal blades that span up to 24 feet across, designed to circulate air in massive warehouses or gymnasiums. Ceiling fans have even made their mark in pop culture. They're a staple of sweltering southern scenes in movies. Think of the languid turning fan in A Streetcar Named Desire, or the atmospheric fans in countless noir films. Their gentle hum and soft shadows evoke a sense of calm, mystery, or sometimes even foreboding. But ceiling fans are also packed with clever engineering. The number, shape, and angle of the blades all affect the fan's performance. Most household fans have 3 to 5 blades, but adding more blades isn't always better. In fact, more blades can create extra drag, slowing the fan down and reducing efficiency. The ideal balance between airflow and quiet operation usually falls between 3 and 5 blades, angled at about 12 to 15 degrees. Today, smart technology is transforming ceiling fans. You can now control fans with your smartphone or voice assistants, set them to automatically adjust based on room temperature, or even sync them with your home's lighting and security systems. Some models include built-in air purifiers or LED lighting, turning them into multifunctional fixtures that do much more than just move air. Ceiling fans can also be surprisingly eco-friendly. Many are made with sustainable materials, such as bamboo or recycled metals, and engineered for maximum energy efficiency. By combining a ceiling fan with air conditioning, you can raise your thermostat by several degrees and still stay comfortable, slashing your energy consumption and carbon footprint. Maintenance is easier than you might think. Regular dusting of the blades, checking that screws are tight, and occasionally oiling the motor, if required, can keep a ceiling fan running smoothly for decades. Many old fans from the early 20th century are still operating today, a testament to their durability and solid construction. There are even ceiling fans designed for outdoor use, with weather-resistant blades and sealed motors that stand up to humidity, rain, and salty air. Picture a ceiling fan spinning above a porch, gently cooling gatherings on hot summer evenings, or bringing a breeze to a screened-in sunroom. It's worth mentioning that ceiling fans also have a special place in global culture. In places where air conditioning is rare or expensive, ceiling fans are a symbol of comfort and community. They're found in roadside cafes in Southeast Asia, colonial-era hotels in Africa, and breezy verandas in the Caribbean. And while they're often overlooked, ceiling fans play a quiet role in our health and well-being. By improving air circulation, they help prevent stuffiness, reduce humidity, and can even discourage the growth of mold and mildew. In bedrooms, a ceiling fan's gentle white noise can mask disruptive sounds, helping people sleep more soundly. The next time you look up and see a ceiling fan spinning above you, think of all the history, science, and design that's gone into that humble appliance. It's more than just a way to stay cool. It's a blend of innovation, efficiency, and timeless style. From ancient hand-pulled punkas to today's high-tech smart fans, ceiling fans truly are the coolest things you didn't know you needed. So, whether you're escaping the summer heat, snuggling in for winter, or simply admiring the gentle spin of the blades, remember, there's a world of wonder in every turn.